front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist Developer. When you're ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Now choose Consent. And to manage your wallpaper and adjust it perfectly, hit this gear at the top left corner. Adjust all of those options and check out Preview at the top. When you finished, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then hit Set as Safe Wallpaper. Choose Yes. Tap on Apply To and pick one of those options: lock screen, home screen, or both. Make sure to tap on Apply at the top right corner, and then you can close your app to check out your new wallpaper. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!